A budget drone with GPS, 4K camera, and follow me mode? Let's test the L900 Pro SE and see if it's actually worth your money. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're reviewing the L900 Pro SE GPS drone, a foldable quadcopter packed with smart features, 4K camera, and long flight range. First impression? This drone looks clean and professional. Foldable arms for easy carrying, lightweight design, around 220 grams, compact enough to fit in your bag. Perfect for travel and outdoor shooting. Let's talk about the camera. 4K HD wide-angle camera, adjustable 90-degree angle from the controller, real-time video transmission via 5G Wi-Fi. Great for aerial shots, but keep in mind, it's more for casual content than for cinematic production. This is where the drone shines. GPS positioning for accurate flight, auto return to home when battery is low, follow me mode for hands-free shooting, Waypoint flight, draw a path and it follows, circle mode for cinematic shots. These are features usually found in higher-end drones. The brushless motors make the flight smooth, quiet, and more durable. You also get up to 1,200 meters range, around 18 to 25 minutes flight time, which is pretty solid for this price range. With optical flow plus altitude hold, the drone stays stable, even for beginners. Plus, the 6-axis gyro system makes control easier and smoother. Some bonus features you'll love: gesture photo and video, app control via smartphone, one-key takeoff and landing, real-time FPV transmission. So, is the L900 Pro SE worth it? Great value for money. Packed with smart GPS features, good flight time and range, beginner-friendly. But 4K is not true professional quality. Struggles in strong wind. App experience can vary. Still, for beginners and casual creators, this is a strong option. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.